Yep. Not expecting much on this one. Got a baby Johnny. Go, go, go. Peekaboo? Oh. What? That missed? Oh. Hmm? I see one hiding. Bro, this ain't Dead by Daylight. What we doing, bud? This ain't no Dead by Daylight, my boy. What are we doing? Wait. Oh. Thought I saw someone. Ah, of course, it's this one. Probably shouldn't even be doing this, whatever. Yeah, I was gonna say it should be over here. Where'd she go? She disappeared. What the? What the? I know, I'm kind of trolling sitting down here. Yeah, I should have came up a while ago. Is this all locked still? Yep. Where's the fuse up top? He does exterior alarms up. I was gonna say, I think I see Sony over here. Battery at all. Trying to kill someone? What is going on over here, bro? What are we doing? Oh hey, how's it going? Okay. It's like, what the fuck is going on, bro? Bro, you shutting this? What the fuck, bro? Ooh, that's a lot of hits. Especially not dead. Hey, where'd she go? Fuck's the blood at? She go upstairs? What the fuck? Get the shit out of her. Oh, there she is. I was like, what the fuck? This ain't Dead by Daylight, bud. That's not good. She has her ability. That's a GG right there, my boy. She does not. That's still a GG. There's no way that I get this. Oh my god, I got her. She must have had one more second.
Weapon. Well done,
GG.
man. GG's, buddy. Did you like that timing on the front door? That's pretty slick, though, right? Pretty slick, though, right?
GG, bro.
GG's, bro.
What are we doing here, bud? Okay. Is my cook pinging anyone? Probably not. Good night. Nighty night. Alright, who's left? Leland? Alright, what are we doing, Leland? Dude, this is such a long animation. Holy shit. Figure out where his lock is not at. Oh, there's a trap there, okay. Alright, the cook's getting blood too. Nice. Wait, does he not have a lock on the silver door? So Leland's doing nothing. We saw a little Leland in the beginning, and then he's been hiding this whole time now. Oh, I see him. top again? Okay. And they really like going up here, don't they? Okay, is this guy... What are you doing, bro? What are you doing there, bud? There you go, fight the cook, that's smart. It's kinda like the old days, I still got it. But that missed? What? What does that miss? I missed too.
It's insane!
Insane! Oh, where'd they go? Oh, fuck. Oh. I'm like, what the fuck? Shit, I thought that was open. That's funny. Thrust. Thrust. GG. Watcha. Nice. GG. Okay. This Connie is going. Oh, someone over here actually. Should probably go up. Hello. Saw your little head wiggle. Watcha! Clothesline. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Okay, I don't know where this Connie is. I probably don't even feed Grandpa here, to be honest. This Connie still hasn't opened anything, though. That's kind of weird. Okay, she's in the basement still? Wait, are they both still in the basement? What the fuck? Why? I have no idea what this Leland's doing. I'm gonna destroy this too. The Johnny should come to the basement with me, but I don't think they know what they're doing at all. Okay, they're getting a tool over here. I should have swung for that. Thought she was gonna be faster. Oh, Leland's right here too. I mean, I don't think the Leland's gonna really do anything, so I'm gonna go for the Connie. Boom, baby. Alright. Feed Grandpa. Oh, okay, he's feeding Grandpa for some reason. Alright, where's the Leland at? He was over here somewhere. Alright, what are we doing, guys? Okay, we're getting tools. is right here. Fuck. Dude. Wait, was he? Okay. 4K. I guess they didn't really know what they were doing. I thought they've seen these guys before. I thought these guys knew how to play the game. Guess not. GG.